SQL formats. So let's first learn about how date format works. You will see that we have a map here, and each country has a different date format they use. As you can see, there is a lot of date formats, and there are also some country that has one or more date formats. So because of that, it causes some issue to how you use date format. So there can be different date format because it will cause some issue. But in terms of SQL, there could be only one date format that should be used. As you can see here, there are three different formats. The first one is year, month, day. The second one is month, day, year. And the last is day, month, year. So that is three different types of format the other country or people use so that they can put the specific date they want to put. Just like the example here, the 2023 2/7. It can be interpreted as either February 7, 2023 or July 2, 2023. So it can make some confusion and it could lead to some big problems. So we're now here at the introduction. The most difficult part when you're working with date is to be sure that the format of the date you are trying to insert matches the format of the data column in the database. So the thing we use in the Microsoft SQL, they have their own standard when it comes to date format. It doesn't matter where you are from. It really has a standard format. The format they use is year, month, and day. So that's the order or format they use in Microsoft SQL. Here it says, as long as your data contains only the data portion, your queries will work as expected. However, if a time portion is involved, it gets more complicated. So it says that it will get complicated when time portion is involved. Means that it's more easier to find a data that only the date is involved. But when the time is involved, it's more really hard to find or to retrieve.
To further clarify on what the standard the MS SQL uses on its date formats, we have here four of the data types you can insert to store a datetime value in your database. Starting off with date that features the year, month, and date. Date and time and small date and time, both featuring year, month, date, also including the hour, minute, and second marks. And lastly, the timestamp that features a unique number.
This is the syntax of SQL dates. To use dates as your data type in your table, observe the following syntax. Create table, table name, open parenthesis, column 1 data type, comma, column 2 data type, comma, etc. Close parenthesis and semicolon.
To start off, let's observe the following table. We have here the orders table, featuring the order ID, the product name, and the order date. Now, we want to select the records with the order date of 2008, 11, and 11 from the table above. We will use the following select statement. Select all from orders where order date is equal to 2008, 11, and 11. Therefore, the result set will look like this. The table will feature two products, with the order date containing 2008, 11, and 11. Now, let's assume that the orders table looks like this. Do you notice the added time in each date in the table given? Now, if we use the same select statement as earlier, we will get no result. This is because the query is only looking for dates without the time portion. To keep your query simple and easy to maintain, do not use time components in your dates unless you have to.